Hi, Patrick here with OnlineViz. I pulled some data from a New York Times article, and New York Times is tracking the best that anybody has so far, the number of coronavirus cases by county, and has this available. So I just copied the information from their CSV file and made this quick little table. I am not an Excel expert. Uh, I do not guarantee any of this data. This is just something that I thought might be helpful to people. So just for those of you that would like to use it, you can go over to here where it says county, click the down button, oops, and just go into the search field and type in the name of your county, like Sacramento, and you can see it includes Sacramento there. All you have to do is hit OK, and it'll pull up just your county, the FIPS, which if you click on this, it'll describe what that is, the number of cases and the number of deaths as of March 27th. So I just thought you might be interested in this for those of you that are have family members in other areas and you wanted to kind of see what was going on in other counties across the United States. Um, you can do that. So I hope this helps you. Um, be safe. Wash your hands a lot. Stay inside for right now. And if you need any help, let me know. Bye bye.